Okay, let's make a few things evident. Clarify some things, get some clarifications, some clariphysicals. We the people of Bird Nation would like for many of you haters to be even more motivated to hate, you know. Hashtag motivate to hate, you understand? And the reason I say that is because you haters enjoy your hatery. And I do also. I enjoy your hatery, yes. Continue to hate. It is obvious that Bird Nation displays some form of excellence that one of your caliber would desire. But hate on, my friend, hate on, yes. It would only please us deeply that you hate, that your hatred is true and so deeply woven into the very fabric of your being. It is exciting to know that you were born understanding that the birds were better than you. And you continue to hate. Hate on, my friends, hate on. Those who know me know that I don't hate on any team. There are teams that I greatly dislike with a passion. I will never root for, I will never consider. But I still follow their players. Why? Because their players may end up being wise in joining the Birds, where they turn over a new leaf of excellence. Oh my God, it is lovely. It is lovely. It is a thing of beauty to know that Bird Nation is excited, delighted for your hatred to spew. Let the rivers flow filled with hatred from you. For we shine, we fly high above the clouds. And may I leave you with this, the very passionate piece. Here we go. Fly, eagles, fly. On the road to victory. Fight, eagles, fight. Score the touchdown, 1, 2, 3. Hit them low, hit them high. And watch our eagles fly. Fly, eagles, fly on the road to victory. And for those who are illiterate or maybe suffering from any phonetical difficulties, EAGLES, eagles. Lovely. Bird Nation, stand up. Hashtag motivate the hate.